How to create a full-screen loading spinner in HTML CSS. Start by creating a loading spinner. There are plenty of free generators all over the internet. Then, insert it into the page. Set it to fixed position. Fill up the entire window with 100% viewport width and height. Set object fit none to retain the original dimensions. Optionally, set a transparent background. With that, all that's left is to hide the spinner by default. Display it only when a Show CSS class is present. Lastly, use JavaScript to toggle the spinner by adding and removing the Show CSS class. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.